This video is going to be the most epic luxury like handbag haul, unboxing, reveal that I have ever done. And to be honest, I honestly contemplating separating these two handbags to share in separate videos. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna share two new handbags. I also have a small SLG from Louis Vuitton that I ordered. And I'm just gonna do it in one video because why not? So like I said, I typically would have separated these just because, you know, I don't know, it just feels sometimes a little awkward, but it is what it is. I know you guys like luxury, and if you clicked on this video and you have a problem with luxury, then I feel like the problem is you. You shouldn't have clicked on this video if you have a problem with luxury unboxings or reveals. So anyways, we're just gonna dive in. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Louis Vuitton SLG. I haven't actually seen this in person, but I know I'm gonna love it because I know so many of you love this item. I'm finally adding it to my SLG collection. I've been very adventurous when it comes to SLGs lately. I got the new like Prada card holder, obsessed. And when I got that and I started using it and I fell in love, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try this because I feel like it could somewhat be comparable. And if I'm loving the Prada card holder this much, I feel like maybe I'll love this as another option that I can recommend to you as well. So let's go ahead and start with that. We always love a good little actual unboxing with the packaging. I love their packaging. It's so pretty. And I feel like it really just looks so much more elegant since they changed it. But of course, we've got the box, we've got the dust bag. This has been kind of on my radar for so long, but I had been so happy with my current like lineup of SLGs that I kind of come from the mindset of, you know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And I had so many pieces that I was so happy with. But whenever I added the Prada card holder, I was like, you know what, Amanda, you should give some other SLGs a chance and really try out some other pieces. And this was the first on my list to add. And it is the Monogram zippy coin purse. Is that what this is called? Oh my goodness, how did I just like totally space? But it's so cute. Again, I was looking for something as an alternative to my Prada card holder. Love it. Not that I'm wanting to like replace that or don't like it, because I truly, honestly, really love that piece. But you know how much I love my SLGs matching. I love it when all my SLGs match. So if I'm ever feeling like I need my SLGs to match, then I thought that this could be a really good option. As you can see, it's super compact. It's not as thin as the Prada card holder, but it's definitely not as big this way, but it's not as thin this way. And then on the inside, we've got some little two card holders here with a slip pocket in the back, two card holders here with a slip pocket in the back, and then you've got a little card holder here, and then two larger kind of compartments. I felt like this was gonna be so good for like my main stuff, right? Like a credit card, ID, insurance information. If I wanted to throw some dollar bills in here, or like if I needed to run to the bank and deposit some checks, I could kind of fold those in here. I thought this would be perfect, and I think it is. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. I love it. But yes, I love it. And you guys know how much I love my full-size zippy wallet, that I thought that this was a really great like mini version of that. And I have a feeling that I'm gonna love this. And again, matches all my other SLGs, which is obviously something that I really love. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Let me know if you have this and if you love it and how you utilize it. But I know that this is gonna be an SLG that I reach for quite often. I might even actually switch over to it now just to kind of test it out, because we all know how much I love my Prada one. I love that Prada one, but again, this matches all my current SLGs. So this is where I would usually say a few things to kind of just kind of make me sharing these next two handbags a little bit easier for me and easier to digest on your end. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna share because I'm so excited. I am so excited about these two handbags. We'll have like a little bit of a story time once I share the first one, but I'm really excited. So I did buy both of them on the pre-loved market. However, the second one is brand new, but I did buy it pre-loved. And then the first one is like in immaculate condition, like still has the stickers attached and everything. So it's also pretty much brand new, but I did buy them both on the pre-loved market. We've got the dust bag right here. This one did not come with a box, but it did come with everything else. It came with the dust bag and everything else that the bag comes with. And what I got is, and I already kind of played around with it, so you're gonna see it with everything. Hold on. It is an Hermes Birkin in the 30 size gold on gold toga leather. And some of you may be saying, but wait, don't you have the 35 in this size? I do, or should I say I did. I decided that that bag, as much as I loved that bag, I really, really loved that bag, I just never reached for it because it was so heavy. It was really, really heavy. And I actually, for the longest time, thought, it's heavy, I don't care, I'm okay with it, I'm gonna deal with it. But more recently, over the last, I don't know, 6 months or so, I was like, you know what, no, I really should consider the 30. And when I came across this being an option for me, I just I had to go ahead and snag it up. So I no longer have the 35 in the gold on gold toga. I now have a 30 gold on gold toga. This one is actually in much better condition than my other one. The other one was in pretty good condition. I did have to send it off to the spa, so it looked even better after I got it back from the spa. But this one is in brand new condition, like brand new. The stickers are still all on here. Here is the thing. I need to move it to the front, but I just haven't really like played with it at all. I've got lock, key, all that stuff here, paperwork and everything here. The inside is literally immaculate. The inside of mine, like this pocket was like kind of stretched out. There was definitely some wear and love on the other one, whereas this one is literally perfection. The leather is in much better condition. It's like I said, it's basically a brand new bag. It is just a much better bag overall. And I really, really like this size a lot. I like the 35 as well. And I'm not saying that I wouldn't get a 35 again one day, but as much as I love this particular gold on gold combo, you know that was my dream bag, right? And I remember talking about the Hermes Birkin gold on gold being a dream bag. And I remember really not sure between the 30 and the 35 size. Obviously, I ended up going with the 35 size. And not that I necessarily regret it, because I think that was a great intro to a Birkin. But after owning it, I just realized that the 30 is probably better for me. But it knew that if I were gonna have a Birkin in this particular color combo, which was my dream combo, I wanted it to be in the size that was a little bit more comfortable to carry on an everyday basis. And so I decided to go ahead and, get the 30. So will I get a 35 eventually? Maybe one day, but I would probably get it in more like a fun color, or maybe just a color that I wouldn't reach for as often or want to reach for as often. And I'll want to reach for this one a lot more often. And because it's a little bit smaller, which means it's a little bit lighter, I think this is just going to be a lot more wearable. But like I said, this one is in immaculate condition. It is brand new, basically stickers and everything still attached. I am just obsessed, you guys. I am obsessed. So this one is also brand new, but when I say brand new, I mean literally brand new, never even taken out of the box. Someone purchased it, never used it, never removed it from the box, and decided to sell it. So I obviously have everything. The other one had everything as well. It's just this one has the box as well. I've looked at her a few times, and she's really in just, I'm just so obsessed with this bag. Here is the dust bag. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out and remove like all the cloth, because I just feel like if I wanna show it to you in its full glory, and it's got like all the cloth and stuff over it. So let me go ahead and set this down and take her out. But here is the dust bag. So this one also came with the, everything, the keys and everything is all in here, but it's not on the bag yet. So here is the Hermes Birkin 30 in the taupe with gold hardware, also in the toga leather. I knew that I've wanted to add a second color to my Birkin collection since I purchased the 35 gold on gold. When I saw this taupe and it was brand spanking new, never even pulled out of the box after it was purchased from Hermes, I just knew I had to, like literally there is still plastic even on this. It is brand spanking new, came with all of the cloth and everything, like protecting everything. It is just in literally brand new, straight from the store condition. It literally smells amazing, you guys. The color is remarkable. It's a beautiful neutral. I feel like it's very different from the gold. The gold is very warm and this is very neutral. And I wear a lot of nudes and beige and caramels and creams. And this is just such a beautiful color to not only have in my collection in general, because I know I will reach for this a lot, but I just think it's such a classic, beautiful color. I do want to show you them side by side so you can see the different colors, but I also just kind of wanted to show you this one on its own. I am like in love, you guys. I love it. So here are the two colors side by side, both really beautiful neutrals. This is obviously really warm, but one of my favorite, if not my absolute favorite color when it comes to handbags. The gold on gold combo was my dream combo, so obviously I had to have this one, and I just thought that this was a really good other neutral option to reach for that wasn't too light. It wasn't going to be something that I was going to have to worry about like denim transfer or anything like that, so it's still a really beautiful neutral. It's different from the gold on gold, but it's also not a like lighter color version. I just think they are so beautiful. Let me know down in the comments which color is your favorite. So that is it, you guys. My two new Birkin handbags, as well as the cutest little Louis Vuitton SLG. I can't wait to wear all of these pieces. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style these handbags, as well as for like outfits of the day. I share a lot of outfits and style ideas on my Instagram. Make sure to follow me on TikTok as well. I've been doing a lot of fun things on there as well, a little bit different than what I share here or on Instagram. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I clearly am obsessed with luxury. I do luxury handbag, you know, comparison and reviews and what's in my bags and just luxury videos in general. I do lots of fashion as well. So make sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy those type of videos, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Before you head out, make sure to watch one of these, and I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon.